you know what? The sound in this apartment is so bizarre. I'm not sure if the camera's going to pick this up, but we have a really loud cicada. It's really cool. It's absolutely scorching day today. Just beautiful here. Let's see if the mic can pick up the cicada. And it's weird the way it kind of echoes around because it's really loud inside. He's down there somewhere. They sound so cool. You could just sit outside and listen to them, like it's really cool.